Okay, in this video today, as the title says, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Flash logo that will go on top of your website or blog page that will continuously flash through whatever you want it to be. For this tutorial, because it's a beginner's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the colours and have some different fonts and that. So the first thing you want to do is just basically make sure you've got one layer up here. If you haven't, click this button down here where it says insert layer. Then go to this button here. This is the text button. Okay, let me just change some settings down here. Here it is. Make sure this is set to horizontal. Mine wasn't. Okay, so for my case it'll be... Sorry, it's gone back to the way it was. Maybe that should be alright. There we are. So mine will be MACMANSBLOG.TK. Okay, so after you've got your font and that sorted out, say if you wanted this font to change, just come down here. As you see, I've got Schoolhouse Printed A. If I wanted to change it to this one here, so it's just like the TK's in that font. Okay, so let me change the M's as well. If you know a font that you want, you can just type it in as well. I've got caps on, it's easier just to go to here. So then go up to the one you want again, or down in my case. And then M again. If you check on my website after you've watched this video, it should be on there, so you can see one in action. As you can see, MMB, MACMANSBLOG.TK. Okay, and I'm just going to change this back. Alright, so there we have it. We have our fonts already sorted out. Okay, so now get to the colour part. Okay, this will be your starting colour, the colour it starts off with. For me, grey's okay. Obviously, it might be different for you. If you want to move it, you'll have to select this select tool first. Sorry, please don't complain, obviously, if I'm talking too easy for you, because this is a beginner's video. Okay, so what you want to do is go to, say, frame 10 here, click the F6 button, which will create a new, like, slide, basically. And in this, you want to change whatever you want to change for the next thing that it kind of flashes onto. So say if I had grey, now I change it all to red, it will go from grey to red on this slide. So, because I said that, I'll just do that. Red, and I'll put a... I'll just leave it at red. Okay, so after you've done this, you want to select the first dot here, go to tween down here, and go to motion. Okay, and then you can play this if you want, and as you can see, it flashes. You can change the settings as well if you want by just going into all these settings up here. This is obviously just a quick walkthrough. So again, go to 20, so I'm the spaces 10 apart. It's not 10 seconds, trust me, it goes really quick. But I'm just for this purpose of this video, I'm going to go to 20. And then I'm going to change this back to grey. I'll do the tweens now as well. So motion again. And then at 30, change this to blue. And then do the tween. Let me do one more and then I'll show you how to export it. So go to 40, F6, do the tween first. And yellow. Cool, that is a bit bright. Tween, not shape, sorry. You can experiment with all these other tweens, but let me see if it's all working properly. Red. But, yep. off pattern there, but yeah, that's fine. First thing you got to do is go to save as, and save it as what you want to save it as. I'll save it as test. Saves as a flash file, an FLA file. But if you want to use it on your website, you've got to go to File, Export, Export Movie, and I'll call it Test again. You have all your settings here, Flash Player 8, I'll keep that. Load order, bottom. Yeah, keep most of this to default. Click OK. Once it's exported, find where you've put it. Test movie, my external hard drive. There we are, that should be it. No, that's, there we are. As you can see, it's working perfectly. This is the same process for Windows, obviously I'm doing it on Mac. And this has been a tutorial by Macman's Blog. Please email me through YouTube or leave a comment on my channel if you want me to do any specific videos. I'll do anything at all, Windows or Mac, tutorial, review, hack, or anything along them lines. Okay, thank you. Please go out and check my website, www.MACMANSBLOG.TK.